Hello everyone. Today in this video, I will let you know how to update Zoho projects using Zoho Flow. Talking about the project overview, the requirement was to track project profitability on Zoho projects using Zoho Flow. The client owns a business specializing in home environment areas like solar energy systems, roofing services, etc. The client wanted that once the project has been updated in Zoho project, its profitability will be calculated automatically. And for that, we have used Zoho Flow. Before getting started with the project demo, let me give a brief overview of Zoho Flow and Zoho projects. Zoho Flow is one of the top-rated integration platforms that helps you seamlessly connect cloud applications and set up workflows for automating the process of exchanging information among various apps. With Zoho Flow, you can integrate a maximum of 400 business applications via intuitive drag-and-drop builder. Zoho Projects is the cloud-based project management software that helps you plan your project, track work efficiently, and collaborate with your team from anywhere, anytime. With Zoho Projects, you can track the progress of the client's projects and life cycles right from generating leads to closing deals. Let's now begin with the demo. Firstly, I'm going to start with creating a new project. I'll add the project title and name it Project Sales. Next, I'll choose the start and end date. Here we have created two different sections. One is for expenses that consist of 36 fields, and the other is for profit and loss. Here we have to fill in the total budget, and here the profit and loss value will be calculated automatically. Now I'll save this project. By clicking on projects, we can see that our project is created. Now I'll edit the project and fill the expenses field along with the total budget. There are 26 fields in the expenses, and I will fill all of them with any random amount. Now I'll update my project. So since we have used Zoho Flow here, it will reflect the result after 3-4 minutes, which has standard functionality. So I'll execute my flow manually here. As you can see, the flow has been completed successfully. Now I'm going to refresh my page once more and update it. Let's check whether the profit and loss value has been updated or not. Yes, as you can see, the value has been updated. Here the positive value with a plus sign represents that we are in profit, and a negative value with a minus symbol means that we are at a loss. So that was the entire procedure we followed for fulfilling a client's requirements. If you are looking for technical or strategic guidance from the best Salesforce experts who can help you realize your business potential, then what are you waiting for? Just get in touch with Cloud Analogy team for certified Salesforce experts. We ensure the successful delivery of your every solution with end-to-end Salesforce consulting services to help you achieve amazing business results. Contact Cloud Analogy to discuss with your project needs and requirements. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe us now and keep visiting our channel for more updates.